Are you ready to take your safety to the next level? In today's fast-paced world, technology is not just about convenience. It's about keeping you and your loved ones safe. Imagine a world where your gadgets not only simplify your life, but also act as your personal guardians. That's the future we're diving into today with 10 gadgets that will make your life safer. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring innovative solutions designed to protect you in every situation. You're whipping up your favorite meal in the kitchen, lost in the aroma of sizzling spices. Suddenly, a small flame ignites on the stove, quickly escalating into a potential disaster. But fear not. The Reacton kitchen automatic fire suppression system is here to save the day. This revolutionary device combines a fire cylinder and an ignition sensor into a single unit, ensuring rapid response to any fire emergency. Whether it's in your kitchen or under the hood of your vehicle, Reacton's solution offers peace of mind and ultimate protection. As a motorcycle or bicycle owner, security is paramount. Enter the Hiplok 1000 series and KRASER KR6Y, the dynamic duo of anti-theft locks. Crafted from resilient composite materials, the Hiplok lock withstands even the most determined thieves armed with angle grinders. Meanwhile, the KRASER KR6Y boasts a formidable 110 decibel alarm concealed within a waterproof case. With options ranging from basic to premium sets, these locks provide unbeatable security for your prized possessions. Ensuring personal safety is paramount, particularly traversing dimly lit streets alone. Introducing the Stinger Loud Plus Personal Alarm, a sophisticated solution designed to empower individuals with confidence and security in any environment. Crafted with precision, this sleek baton offers more than just an audible alarm. It's a comprehensive safety tool. With its formidable piercing siren, capable of reaching distances of up to 180 meters, and an integrated glass breaker for emergencies, the Stinger Loud Plus stands as a beacon of protection. However, its functionality extends beyond mere alerting. With a simple press of a button, one can swiftly summon assistance and deter potential threats effortlessly. Whether embarking on a late-night stroll or returning home after dark, the Stinger Loud Plus personal alarm ensures unwavering readiness and protection. Elevate your safety standards, choose the Stinger Loud Plus, and navigate life's uncertainties with confidence and peace of mind. Picture a future where car theft is no longer a concern. Thanks to F3 Defense, this vision is not just a dream, it's a tangible reality. This revolutionary system goes beyond traditional security measures by incorporating cutting-edge pepper spray protection, effectively deterring potential thieves from even approaching your vehicle. Crafted by seasoned police officer Michael Mercer, F3 Defense stands as a testament to innovation and security in the automotive industry. With F3 Defense installed, drivers and passengers alike can rest assured knowing that their vehicle is shielded from opportunistic criminals. Don't allow your cherished car to become another statistic. Take proactive steps to safeguard it with F3 Defense today. Join the movement towards a safer, more secure future on the road. In a world where horror movies have taught us makeshift methods of doctor security, Haven Lock offers a simpler, more reliable solution. Their special door blocker, resembling a sleek black metal threshold bar, provides robust protection with just a touch. Activated via a key fob or mobile app, the bar swiftly lifts and securely locks the door, boasting 10 times the reliability of classic deadbolts. With easy installation and a convenient unscrewing mechanism, Haven Lock ensures peace of mind without the hassle. When danger strikes, be prepared with a swift shield. This innovative folding bulletproof shield fits neatly into a discreet bag, ready to deploy at a moment's notice. Crafted from advanced materials capable of withstanding pistol shots and rifle rounds, the Swift Shield offers unparalleled protection in emergency situations. Whether you are a law enforcement officer or a civilian seeking safety, this compact yet robust shield is a game changer. In the realm of self-defense, innovation is key. Enter the SABRE Pepper Projectile Launcher, a revolutionary weapon designed to incapacitate intruders safely and effectively. utilizing 0.68 caliber projectiles filled with potent pepper spray. This launcher delivers a 1-2 punch of blunt force impact and debilitating chemical irritant. With a range of 18 meters and specialized training ammunition, the SABRE launcher ensures both the shooter and the target are protected in high-stress scenarios. Say goodbye to worries about sudden threats with the Citizen Armor Bulletproof Backpack Vest. This innovative backpack not only safeguards your belongings, but also shields you from potential harm. With a simple pull of special straps, the backpack seamlessly transforms into a fully fledged bulletproof vest, blending in effortlessly with regular backpacks. Complete with pockets for essentials and available in a universal size, this backpack vest ensures discreet protection wherever you go. Gone are the days of ambiguous hand signals on the road. Flasher introduces a revolutionary solution for clear communication between cyclists and motorists. With 2 glowing armbands responsive to gestures, Flasher enhances safety with intuitive turn signals and brake alerts. Fully customizable and suitable for various activities, including jogging and pet walking, Flasher ensures seamless communication and enhanced visibility for all road users. Protecting your vehicle from theft is paramount, and Scally's Stopper Pedal Lock plus Van Pedal Lock offers a robust solution. Designed to conceal pedals and prevent unauthorized access, these metal locks ensure peace of mind for vehicle owners. Compatible with specific models and featuring easy activation via a key, these pedal locks deter thieves and safeguard your valuable assets. Even the smallest theft can pose a challenge, but Security Fogging System offers swift and effective home protection. Within seconds, this system fills up to 800 square meters with impenetrable fog, deterring intruders and safeguarding your property. With seamless integration with home alarms and a panic button for immediate activation, Security Fogging System ensures peace of mind for homeowners, dissolving any potential threats in a cloud of harmless fog. Thanks for watching this video on 10 gadgets that will make your life safer. With technology continuously advancing, these gadgets offer innovative solutions to enhance your safety and peace of mind in various aspects of life. From home security to personal health monitoring, these gadgets are designed to provide convenience and protection in today's fast-paced world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content and stay updated on the latest gadgets and innovations that can improve your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family to help them stay safe too. Remember, technology has the power to transform and safeguard our lives, so embrace these gadgets and stay one step ahead in ensuring your safety and well-being. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.